Hey everybody, it's Crystal. So today I'm going to do a yarn review on Lion Brand's re-up yarn. But first I want to say that Lion Brand is not affiliated with this review. They do not pay me to say the things that I'm going to say, and they did not give me this yarn. I bought this yarn myself. So let's go over it a little bit. Now, remember, these are only my personal opinions. Now, my personal opinions are different than a lot of people's, but a lot of people just like to hear what I have to say about yarns. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what I think about it. Okay, so we go ahead and we look at it. Lion Brand re-up. 2.5 ounces or 70 grams. 114 yards, 105 meters. Machine washable and dryable. 85 cotton and 15 polyester. Made in Turkey. Classified as a medium weight number 4. Recommended crochet hook size is an I, 5.5, and a knitting needle, it looks like it's a 7, 4.5. Okay, the color I have in my hand is called Lime. Now, I was reading a little bit about it on their website so I can get a little bit more informed. Now, they consider this an eco-friendly cotton. I'll just tell you a little bit what it says. It says, crafters love to use this natural fiber cotton to make dishcloths, baby items, and craft projects. Re-up is Lion Brand's new recycled cotton. So it's recycled cotton. It's eco-friendly. It says it takes an average of 20,000 liters of water to make 1 kilogram of cotton. By using 170 gram ball of re-up, you are saving 1,400 liters of water. Okay, so they say that it's eco-friendly. And it's recycled cotton. So that's pretty much what they say about it. All right. Okay. So first off, when I feel it, it's not a soft cotton. It is a recycled, non-soft cotton. This is not anything you would ever make anything to wear out of. If you were going to use this, my suggestion would be dishcloths, wash rags, bags, you know, things for the kitchen, anything of the sort like that. But definitely it's not soft at all. So it would be good for kitchen items and stuff, and you know, in a bag probably. Now my camera's kind of crooked. It's available in quite a few colors. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 14 different colors, all of which are solid. Now I have a few here. Like I said, this one is the lime, and then I have the ecru, which is like the natural color, sunflower, perfect color of sunflower, aqua, and then you got white, and this one is lilac, and they have they have more, but the colors are very pretty. They're very well saturated, so they're nice. The coloring is nice. You can see that on them. Now they seem to be available a lot of places. Looks like they run about $1.99 a ball. I paid $1.99 on Lion Brand's website for a couple, and then I also got them at Michael's the other day for $2, I think, a ball. So right at about $2. You can probably find them a little more, a little cheaper other places. I see them on eBay, a 3-pack for $5.97. So yeah, about $2. Looks to be about the average. I'm not sure if they're at Joann's or not, but so I did a little crocheting with it. Recommended hook size is a 5.5. I have 5.5 right here. There you go. It's a 5.5. Okay, let me move that one away. You can see this is what it looks like with 5.5. Right off, I would never classify this as a 4-weight yarn. To me, it's a 3-weight. It looks like a DK to me. It's a very, very thin 4-weight. I think it should have been considered a DK. That's just me, though. That's just what I would say it is. Now, crocheting with it, I have had some trouble with it splitting, but nothing that I couldn't control. That's kind of what it looks like. It's, I don't know. Well, if you look at the price, $2, and you get, what is it, 114 yards. I want to be honest. Now I love Lion Brand. I love a lot of, they're one of my favorite yarn companies. And I don't want to be harsh, but I'm very honest in my reviews. I'm sorry, Lion Brand. This has to be one of the worst cottons that I've ever crocheted with in my life. I'm sorry. I crocheted with lots of cotton yarns, and this one has to be by far one of the worst ones. It's splitty, like I said. It feels scratchy going across the top of my finger. It's not soft at all. It just don't appear to be making anything very nice looking. Now, I have average tension, I believe, when I crochet. I don't think I crochet extremely loose or tight, but I don't know. Maybe a super small hook would have made it look better. It's just really gappy. This one is not doing it for me. And I know that was really harsh to say but I just want to be honest. I personally do not like this yarn, and it's kind of disappointing because I had a lot of high hopes for it, actually, because when I seen it on their Facebook page and I looked it up on their website, and I thought, that's going to be pretty cool, eco-friendly cotton, recycled, and I knew that it wouldn't be extremely soft. I just knew that, it being recycled cotton and everything. But I don't know, it's not a pleasure for me to crochet with. Now remember, these are only my opinions. You might get it and you might love it. I personally do not like it, and I will not buy it again. But like I said, all the colors are really pretty. It's just in the price, I think at 114 yards for $2, I think that's a little pricey, considering you can go to Walmart and you can get peaches and cream cotton, which is, it's a cotton yarn that I wouldn't use to crochet garments with, but I think it's softer than this, and I think they have like 200 yards in them, and they're like $1.77 at Walmart. So I would get peaches and cream over this. This one isn't a no. It's a no-go for me, and like I said, I feel horrible for saying that, and but I'm just honest, I guess. Not trying to hurt anybody's feelings, but if you don't like it, you don't like it. There's nothing I can do about it. I think the only thing it really has going for it is the colors are very pretty. There are no variegateds. They're all solid. It's just, I don't like it. So that's it's a short review. I went over all the details on it. I started to crochet the swatch and I already knew I didn't like it when I started to crochet with it. It just doesn't crochet very good. It doesn't look very good crocheted. You can't make garments out of it. Dishcloths, yeah, you would have to probably use a lot smaller hook than the recommended size to make it not so gappy. It's gonna split on you. I don't know. I wish that I liked it. I do. I mean, I did have high hopes for it, but it's just, it's not for me. I know it's eco-friendly and everything, but you gotta like it still. I mean, you have to like it. I'm all about eco-friendly and saving the planet, but you have to like what you're doing, and this isn't for me. But that doesn't mean that it can't be for you. So I always recommend that if you have the means to buy one ball and give it a try, and then come back here on this post and let me know what you think of it. If you've already tried it, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Now, just because I didn't have very nice things to say about it, which I truly feel very sorry for saying those things, but it doesn't mean that, I mean, it's just, you guys could love it. So you don't always have to take my word for it. Always try it for yourself. You know, and since it's only $2, I recommend you giving it a try if you can. And yeah, if you tried it, I'd love to hear your comments on it. Surely some people like it, you know. But for me, I won't buy it again. I will choose Peaches and Cream cotton for all my wash rags and dish towels and stuff like that. So yeah, I've dealt with lots of cotton over my years, and yeah, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.